Hello traders, hope you're all doing well. A good friend of mine sent me this chart and I decided to analyze the chart. Very good opportunity on Cadchf. This is a daily time frame. So as you can see, we are pushing down. Yeah, so we are downtrending on this daily chart. Yeah, so like I always said, um, you first of all identify your trend, and then you then look for um, where they have decided to consolidate the market. So for downtrend, we look for equal lows, yeah, which is right here. These are my equal lows, okay? So as you can clearly see, um, we came down and then we consolidated here. So we started having this bounce to the upside, yeah? So the support and resistance traders are going long. The supply and demand traders are also going long. So they're buying the demand zones, they're going long. All right. And then so since 2024 August, we have not broken and closed below this box right here until we did that right here in March 2025. Yeah. So on the 6th of March, we had this big engulfing candle close. Like I always said, when we break out with big engulfing candle to induce more people to go to take that side of the breakout. So people have gone short after this big engulfing candle. Yeah. Once they've done that, where would the stop loss be? The stop loss are going to be above the level. Yeah. And as you can see, we are coming up to take them out. Yeah. So the stops are going to be above this high right there. Let's get my tool. Give me 1 second. Uh, so the stop losses are going to be above um, this this high there, or even that high right there. Okay, so what is going to happen now is I suspect that what they'll do is they'll break out again with a big engulfing candle to get more people to go to get people to go long. Yeah, and once they go long, the stops are all going to be below this level. Yeah, and then we have this supply zone right here. This is a supply zone. This is a supply zone, but this is not a fresh zone because um, this push up here, this wick here, yeah, tapped that supply zone, which resulted to this push down. Okay, so this is not a fresh supply zone. So let me repeat that again. This wick here touched the supply zone, and that was responsible for this push down. So this zone is not a fresh supply zone. Okay, so what I think would happen is the price will go up and use the supply zone as a retracement back to this level, yeah, to induce more buyers to go long. So what do I mean by that? So what I mean is price will go up, tap the supply zone, come down, and this level will act as a support, yeah, for the market to push back up. So to get more buyers to go up, to go long, and then this is the supply zone that I would be looking at going short, yeah. So we had this drop, we had this base, and we had this push down. Can you see that big push down? Yeah, this big engulfing candle. So that's your rally, sorry, your drop, and then your base, and then your drop supply zone. Yeah, so this is a continuation supply zone pattern: drop, base, drop. Okay, so we are on the short side, so this is a continuation supply zone. So I'm looking for this to happen before I then take my short trade down to this low. Okay, so thank you so much for this chat, to my good friend, for sending this chat to me. Yeah, so this is a very good opportunity. Cadchf, keep an eye on it. and then yeah, let's see what happens when the time comes. All right, safe trade, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye now.